Hanuman once wrote his own version of the Ramayana after the events of Lord Rama were over. It is said that Hanuman carved the entire story of Rama on rocks using his nails while meditating in the Himalayas. His version was so divine, emotional, and powerful that even great sages were amazed. Later, sage Valmiki came to know about Hanuman's Ramayana. When he read it, he became sad and felt that his own Ramayana would never be appreciated because Hanuman's version was far superior. Seeing Valmiki upset, Hanuman immediately understood his feelings. Out of humility and devotion, Hanuman threw his own Ramayana into the sea so that Valmiki's Ramayana would remain the main scripture for the world.